Hello everyone. Today we'll be testing this rare Pro V1 on an instant spin cycle with nothing in the drum. So here we go. I'm gonna press start. Yeah, instant spin. Press start on Pro V1 on something. Yeah. Press start. I think it's a brushed. That's a brush. Here's a brushed washing machine. So what I've got there is a 31. I like the line on the bottom of it. It's very nice, it's neatly made. Now rinse. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, I guess that might have killed the machine, I think. Well, not really. I think... Does it turn on? It might do. Oh my goodness, even the door is still locked. I couldn't believe the spider snapped. Even though there's nothing in the drum, it still snapped the spider. And what happened there? This washing machine got nothing in the drum and it just snapped the spider. Like, not joking. Bits of it all over the seal as well. But anyway, thanks for watching. That Pro V1's gonna go for destruction then, because and see you later. And see you later. Bye.